Hindi ko maintindihan kung ba't ikaw ang napapagtripan ng halik ng kamalasan. Tinapang mong marahan ang hagdanan para lang makitlatan sa kaitaas-taasan. Ngunit kaibigan, huwag kang magpapasindak. Kaibigan, isilang saiyak. Come on guys, sabay-sabay! Dahil wala rin word. May panahon para maging hari, may panahon para matapara. Dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang magkaliyan. Ang buhay ay sadyang gilihan na umaaraw. Well, open up your mind and I see like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free. We're looking too hard and you'll find. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. Since your God forsake your right to be loved, love, love, love. So I won't give a cent. Part niyo po yan, part niyo po yan. Looking our time and he sure this is our place. Sino tinay pagkakain yours? Ay na, sabi ka?